To access your T-Mobile Home Internet account, first ensure you have an active T-Mobile Home Internet subscription and Internet access. For the app method, first download the T-Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap Sign In. Enter your T-Mobile ID, which can be your phone number or email, and your password. Complete two-factor authentication if prompted for added security. For the web portal, visit my.tmobile.com in a web browser. Click Sign In the top right. Enter your credentials and complete two-factor authentication. Once logged in, you can manage your account, monitor usage, and troubleshoot issues. T-Mobile uses a unified T-Mobile ID for all services, providing single sign-on access. Multi-factor authentication is now mandatory, using SMS, app-based codes, or hardware keys for enhanced security. The app supports biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition for faster logins. The system includes automatic logout after 30 minutes of inactivity, with AI-powered recommendations and improved accessibility for digital-first customer service.